Hey guys, how's it going? Outfit check today. We have just a CTHS shirt and some jeans and boots. Okay, so today it's a little bit crazy. It's Friday. Oh, let me turn the music off. It is Friday before Labor Day, so it's a little bit wild. Just finished with the binders. You guys look, watch. This is amazing, although it's a little squished. But today was kits, so students came in and then they filled up their bottles with product. I got the Ziploc bags out back here so they can package their stuff. And look, all the binders are on the bottom and the kits are on the top. Binders are on the bottom, kits are on the top. So I made sure this was this is how it needs to be, because this counter cannot be, there was like folders and papers and bags in front of this, and I don't want that to catch fire somehow. That's an electrical hazard, I'm sure, fire hazard. So this is kind of how this goes. Now there's some students that have been absent, so not all the stuff is here. A lot of the kids are not, 5-minute bell. A lot of the kids have not come in yet, so this is gonna get a little hectic. The bins and bags that are a little bit bigger, we're gonna have to do something about that, because only that size bag will fit everybody's kit here. So we're gonna work on that. But for the freshmen, their bag is a little bit bigger, but I think we're gonna make it work. So that's that there. And then over here, still need to move those books to the closet in that box, but that's where we're going to have the second set of students. So I'll probably have these 2 tables, put their stuff there, or these 3 tables, put their stuff there, and then these 2 tables, put their stuff over here. I don't know, you know, it's just kind of like let's try it and see if it works, and if it works, great. If not, let's change it. This weekend I'm going to go get the folder stands so that I can put these bins here and those little rolly carts that are right there in the front. So supplies will be up there, then they'll come get their binder, their kit, and then the folders will just be up here. So that way there's not crazy crowding all over the place. So, and then the students that have been absent, I've been collecting the bags. In Ziploc bags, I put a Sharpie here and I Velcroed it, so that way it's a lot easier. And the bags, which are out there right now, but they're usually there, so just grab the bag, put the stuff that I need in the bag, and put their name and date there. So it has been going pretty good so far. Let me come around to you guys, but so far so good. And there's just so much that still needs to get done, but it's coming along. It's the end of the 3rd week of school, and this is typically and usually when we begin to kind of settle in and just like go. Yesterday was crazy. This week has been really hectic, and we had grades, so I redid my grades. Checking email, we had a Skills USA town hall meeting yesterday. I took notes, and then I closed my computer, and I thought I was gonna go back, but I fell asleep, and so I didn't come back, and it lost my document. So now I have to look for the recording and redo that and send that to the teachers that were not able to, attend. I only sent it to the ones that asked me. The ones that didn't, then sorry, I can only do so much. So gonna do that, and then I got this pile of stuff right here that I really have to get through. So today my freshmen are taking the Brown test on Schoology. It's like a 10-question test. They cannot use their packet, and then they're gonna watch the video on Schoology of the kit packing, and they're gonna pack their kit. Anything that doesn't need to be here needs to go home, and then that's it. And it's Friday, and it's a Labor Day weekend, and I'm not crossing my fingers. I am not going to take any work home today. I want to walk out with my keys and my phone in my hand with the memory card, because I do have to edit videos. It's social media weekend, but I'm not taking any work home. I'm like training my brain to be okay with not recording. Come in. This is going to be like an everyday thing. You walk in, I'm just trying to finish a video, so you go ahead and come in. Just ignore me. So just kind of trying to train myself to where, you just get done what you get done here, and then whatever doesn't get done just gets done the next day. So students are coming in, so I'm going to go ahead and leave you there. Probably won't be doing any more recording for today, so today's this video is just the accumulation of the week, and next week we're going to start History of Cosmetology with freshmen, and then really ramping up our fashion project for Houston Fashion Week in October. We also have the Day of the Dead event coming up, so we also have that project to start. And then my sophomores, in the morning we're going to continue with manicuring, but we're also going to start nail design, simply because, or I might even switch that, because we do have a lot of projects with that coming up and I need those projects done ASAP. So I'll think about it over the weekend and see which, if I want to follow tradition and just do manicuring, pedicuring first, or if I want to just jump into the nail art and then do the services later, which might be an option. Plus, it's a little difficult when we do the manicuring, pedicuring on ourselves. It's just different before we could do on each other, and it's a lot easier and better, more effective. So I might just wait a little bit so things get maybe a little better. We can work on partners, but until then it has to be on ourselves. So that is what I have for you guys for this week. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye.